Okay, we are on. Let's on the lights. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. One more lights. Okay, it's almost there. Okay, one more lights. Yep, we're there. Are we on focus? Let's check. Focus, give me this focus. Okay, so we're on focus now. Okay guys, so this is me again, Sam Presto from Sam Presto Films, and this time around I'm having a documentary workshop, and I want you to register to be part of this documentary. It's a very big and breathtaking documentary. When you come in, you get to know what we are shooting, and I'm opening it for a workshop, and I want you to participate, to register and be part of it. We'll be going to 15 states, but I'm ready to share 10 states with anybody joining the workshop. Then I will do the remaining 5 states with me and my team. So if you want to be part of this workshop, register here. I'll be charging you a little token for the logistics, for hotel transportation, but there's no feeding, and I think I'll be charging, I don't know, I'm still trying to get the logistics together, 350 to 400k, which is very, very affordable. So if you want to be part of this documentary, register. I'll be dropping the link for you to register, and or DM me or call me if you have my number. Hook me up. And if you think you're going to pay that so much amount, like the 350 or 400k, and you feel you need to get feeding too part of it, no problem. I can always tell the welfare to add more spoons on my own food, so we can share. I will have 2 more spoons. Me and you can share on that. So thank you. I'm excited to see you on the team. Let's create contents together and travel around Nigeria. Hopefully next one will be traveling around Africa, then I don't take it around the world. Thank you, and register. Bye. This is Sam Presto from Sam Presto Films.